Okay, Alusilio. Alusilio na the ball. Alusilio. Uy, Rosano. Rosano. Nice and easily. 2 points, Rosano. Alusilio. Alusilio now. Kyle. Winning half. Here's 2 points. Rodriguez. Botaya. Lucina. Burkinasa. Botaya by 3. Botaya 3 points. Alusilio now the ball. To Here's Lyle. Lyle's for 3. Wala. Rebound by Lucina. Lucina to Rukinasa. Rukinasa to Rosano. Rosano jumper. Rosano the points. Bakal ya. Alusilio. Waiting out to Alusilio. Lyle fires for 3. Lyle 3 points. Rokinasa to Rosano. Rosano fire for 3. Rosano 3 points. Alusilio pass to Wailingham. Last touch Rokinasa. Ice rim. Basketball. Wailingham. Pass to Here's Wailingham. To Harley. Harley to Lyle. Lyle's for 3. Wala. Rebound by Wailingham. Wailingham follow shot. 2 points. Okay. Botaya. Aro pass for 3. Wala short. Rebound by Alusilio. Alusilio now to run. Alusilio. Lyle for 3. Rokinasa, Botaya. Uy! Steal by Hardy. Hardy liap. 2 points. Rokinasa to Botaya. Botaya Aloro back to Rokinasa. Lucina. Na-foul si Lucina. First personal foul. Number 12, Harley. Okay, aduan for Lucina. Wala. Rebound by Hirsch. To Winningham. Winningham to Alvaro Auxilio. Yes! Alvaro 3 points! Back-to-back 3 points. That's yeah. Rokinasa on the ball. Rokinasa to Rosano. Rosano jumper. Back shot, wala. Bound by Hardy. Aloro! Lagi na. Baru begitu ya. Winningham. Woi, wala. Miscommunication. Okay. Rokinasa. Rosano. Wala. Na-foul si Rosano. Second personal foul, Harry. Second team foul, Isorit. Substitution. Pedrosa. Harry out. Rosano to Roquinasa. Roquinasa the ball. Roquinasa to Rosano. Rosano fires for three. Wala. Rebound by Lucina. Lucina. Rosano. Wait. Aloro. Aloro jumper. Wala. Rebound by Pedrosa. Pedrosa is steal by Lucina. Lucina. Aloro. Wow. Para na assist ng Lucina to Aloro. Alusilio. Hoy! Traveling by Rizal. Traveling by Rizal. Inbound Butaya. Roquinasa. Roquinasa to Rosano. Rosano, simpak. Roquinasa! Time out, Isorit. Score, Onyx White, 1-2 for Isorit. 6 points lead now. 6 points lead by Onyx lead. Evening time, 5 minutes and 26 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, Rosilio the ball. Rosilio now. Alessio. Pass to line. Putri, wala, rebound by Cristologo. To Aloro. Aloro fires for three. Wala, rebound by Butaya. Butaya to Roquinasa. Roquinasa, Rosano. Rosano. Tiap, wala, rebound by Hurst. Ay, no. First personal foul, Rosano. First team foul, Orange Green. Weighing up to Alusilio. Alusilio winning up. Weighing up, penetration shot, foul. Uy, traveling yan. Traveling by Rizal. Okay, Roquinasa. Roquinasa on the ball. Pass to Butaya. Butaya, fire, three. Butaya, 3 points. Second 3 points now with Butaya. Winning up to Lal. Lal winning up lihat bola. Rebound dari Cristologo, Roquinasa. Pass to Butaya, fire for three. Butaya, 3 points. Butaya. Okay. First. Alusilio Pedrosa. First. The foul. First personal foul, Aloro. Second team foul, Orange. Winning up the foul. Alusilio to Pedrosa. Pedrosa fires for three. Wala. Rebound by Cristologo to Rosano. Rosano now the ball. Rosano run. Rosano speed. Wala. Tap out by Pedrosa. Time out. Orange 3. Time out. Orange. shot clock. 19 seconds shot clock. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds for the first quarter. Okay. Uy! Namsa, nagturi na biyan. Okay. Rosano. Inbound. Aloro, jumper. Wala. Rebound with Hurst. Hurst now the ball. Hurst pass to Alcilio. Alcilio, uy! Deflected by Rosano. Uy! Still, deflected na kayo. Waiting out. Wala. Rebound by Rosano. Uy! Still by Mendoza to Alcilio. Alcilio to Winningham. Uy! Out of bounds, Winningham. Rocky Nasa. Rocky Nasa now. Rocky Nasa. Rocky Nasa panas to Butaya. Butaya for 3. Uy! Gago man. Gawas. Alcilio. Alcilio na the ball. Alcilio to Winningham. Uy, isunod na yun. Winningham, 2 points. Okay, Rosano. Rosano, jumper. Yeah, Rosano, 2 points. Okay, Alcilio. Alcilio to Winningham. Winningham, fires for 3. Wala. Short, rebound by Rosano. Rosano to Aloro. Aloro to Rosano. Rosano, Butaya. Crazy Lugod. Wala. Rebound by Alcilio. Alcilio down the ball. Alcilio to Pedrosa. To Lyle. Lyle to Winningham. Winningham jumper. 2 points for Winningham. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 80 seconds shot clock. Originasa Butaya. Aloro. Aloro, itag kapasahan to Butaya. Butaya, pass for 3. Wala. Diba kay Rosano? Tawag siya Rosano. Winningham. Winningham, the ball pass to Alcilio. Alcilio, Winningham. Winningham. Diba? Lahat by Crisulugo. Rocky Nasa. Rocky Nasa. Sportsman-like foul by number 4, Alcilio. Rest away of 3 minutes, Alcilio. Late coach at 3 minutes. And sportsman-like foul, Alcilio. Rokinasa, the 12-foot line. Wala. Second free throw, Rokinasa. Uy, ibanda ha. So, naginawan. Butaya. Rokinasa. Rokinasa, Aloro. Butaya. Butaya, Crazy Logo. Crazy Logo. Rokinasa jumper. Yeah! 2 points, Rokinasa. Winningham. To Belarmino. Belarmino. Pindaros. Pedrosa, Winningham, back to Pedrosa, Pindaros, ball up jumper, wala, rebound, uy, pas, Rocky Nasa, Aloro, Rocky Nasa, Butaya, Rosano, Aloro Mars for 3, uy, patda, nasa dito yung Aloro, 3 points. Pindaros to Pedrosa. 5 seconds. Well, Pedrosa 2 points. 1 second. Okay, game over. Game over. score, Onyx 34, Ice 28. Okay, back to the ball game. We are now in the second quarter. Inbound, Sinarilos. Loris. Antopesu. Loris. William. Vidaros. Tapos kayo sana. Ice basketball. William. Inbound. Barangati. 2 points. Loris Sinarilos now. Pass to Loris. Yes, 2 points for Loris. Waiting up to run pass. Wow, double shots, 2 points. Wow. First foul, number 19, Sinarilos. First team foul. Onyx. Waiting up at 1. Bonus shoot. 3 points for waiting up. Loris. Opportunity. Wala. Waiting up. Vidaros. Waiting up first. Wala. Vidaros fire for 3. Wala. Bawang Loris. Wala. Tuhan ilog din Pilarmino. Pilarmino run. Pilarmino yan. Yes! 2 points for Pilarmino. Sinarilos. Ilog. Loris. Takut-takut na palapas pwede na. First foul, number 0. Time out. Onyx 3. Pilarmino first personal foul. First team foul. Sorry. Okay, inbound. Loris, down. Uy, wala. Ibang may natin. Yagat mo naman ito first. First. Uy. Okay. Harley inbound. There's to Vidaros to Gagati. Gagati to Vidaros. Harry fires the 3. Wala. Rebound by stepping the line, Gagati. Driven the line. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 48 seconds. And it's the Morris. Morris down the ball. Morris. 3 points shot drive. Wala. Sure. Sana. Uy, ipasa po. Ikagati. Hurst at the ball. Hurst. Mindaros. Hurst for 3. Wala. Sure. Villamino. Wala. Canto Puesto. Canto Puesto Durant. Uy. Wala. Bustos Leo. Hurst. Hurst down the ball. 20 seconds at left. So Harley. Harley fires for 3. Wala. Losada. Canto Puesto. Sinariel. Dinarios. Wala. Ba. Uy. Wala. Losada. Losada 2 points. Mindaros. To Villarmino. Villarmino. Hardy. Hardy the ball back to Villarmino. Villarmino drives in. Last line. Travel in violation. Travel in violation. Inbound Sinariles to Flores. Flores now on the ball. Flores at the pistol. And the pistol number. Ay, backshot. Ay, the pistol 2 points. Mindaros. Villarmino to Gagati. Gagati to Mindaros. Back to Villarmino. Villarmino. Wait. Feeling the Flores. Flores in the ball. Flores on the run. Flores to Antopuesto. Antopuesto, 2 points. Timeout, Aizuri. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Harley to the sea. Alosilio fires for 3. Wala. The ball by Hurst. Hurst. Ulo. Hurst personal foul. And to pistol. Hurst for 2. Yes, 1 point. Second for Hurst. Yes, 2 points Hurst. Flores. Flores at the ball. Flores after. Wala. Iba. Wait, Flores again. Wow. Dahil ang run. Dahil at the ball. Uy. Harley. Wala. Hurst. Hurst. Lyle. Lyle. Yes, the point. Lyle niya. Flores. Flores to Sinarios. Sinarios fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by Flores. Flores. Flores number. Wala. Rebound by Hardy. Hardy to Lyle. Lyle fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by Suloko. Doris. Gina Aurelius. Wala. Rebound by Harris. Pass on Asilio. Alicilio. Time out. Time shot. Harley. Wow, foul. Foul ni Doris. Big Doris. First personal foul number 20, Doris. First team foul. Only substitution. Substitution. Lucina. Loris out. Takin lang palino. Takin. Rosan number 2. Wala. Second for Harley. Wala. Rebound by Lucana. To Floris. Doris now. Doris. Boy, ano ba ito? Last jumper. Wala. Rebound by Winning Up. Winning Up. Alusilio. Alusilio. Harley. Speaking the line. Substitution. Pinapali. Harley out. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Doris to Sarah. Doris to Pwisto. And the Pwisto to Roxana. Oi! Still by Roxana, by Harris. Harris now on the ball. Harris. Pilapil. Yes! 2 points. Penetration assist by Harris to Pilapil. Antopwisto to Rosano. Rosano to Flores. Flores prior for 3. Wala. Rebound ay Gagati. To Alusilio. Alusilio to Winning Up. Winning Up yan. Wala. Rebound ay 3 points. Wala pa 2 points. At 1 for Pilapil. 20 seconds. Second personal foul for the Dewi. Antopwisto. Kaya din. Lucana out. Pilapil, 3 points. Loris on the ball. Butaya. Lord again. Butaya, 3 points. Init na po ng Butaya. Okay. Alusilio. Winning out for 3. Winning out. 3 points. Loris. Lucina. Aloro by 3. Wala. Rebound by Gagati. Gagati na on the ball. Pass to Alusilio. Up. Technical. Number 2. Double technical. Number 2. Number 2 sa Picas. Substitution. Rosano, lingkod ka 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Si Gagati. Ay, wala. Si Rosano.
No, we need one more. No, we need one more.
Wala. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound. Winning up to Alusilio. Alusilio now to Hurst. Here's Alcilio. Alcilio. Wala jumper. Wala. Rebound by Lucina. Lucina to Butaya. Butaya to the piso. Butaya fires for three. Wala. Rebound by Bilapil. Bilapil to Winningham. Winningham now. Butaya. Aloro. Liam. Wah. Nice ang yes, Liam. Aloro. Alcilio. Waiting up for three. Wala. Diba may nagwisto. Nagwisto. Pass to Butaya. Nagwisto. Wow. Orikinas. Orikinas na ito. Alcilio. Alcilio to Hurst. Hurst 5 for 3. Hurst 3 points. Wala na, 7 points lead na. 7 points lead na. Single digit. Rosana. Rosana Roquinasa. Roquinasa. Aloro. Wala. Wala. Madapin. That decision.
51 na score, 51. Who is scoring 51?
Okay, 9 points. 9 points lead na. Oy! Lipat siya. Lipat niya. From Winningham.
Watch! 51 na kabilikot!
Roquinasa. Oh, Roquinasa. Rosano. Rosano fires for three. Wala. Rebound by Hurst. Hurst to Winningham. Ayay! Deflected by Roquinasa. Roquinasa nilumpat. Wala. Rebound by Hurst. Hurst at the ball. Wala. Game over.
Aloro! Aloy! 51 na mga Aloy! 51 na mga Dilaw!
Okay, score. Onions 49. 42 for, 7 points. Lead by Onions. Okay, back to the ball game. We are now in the third quarter. Third quarter. Isolate ball position. Okay. Isolate ball position. Inbound pass by Winningham. Winningham to Alcilio. Alcilio on the ball. Alcilio Villarmino. Villarmino. Pass to Pilapil. Jumper. Wala. Rebound by Villarmino. Villarmino. Reverse up. Wala. Uy. Rebound by Loro. Loro to Roquinasa. Roquinasa. Butaya fires for three. Butaya! 3 points! Tapilit na Butaya. Kapundok si Gastis. Alcilio. Alcillo na the ball. Alcillo. Alcillo winning half. Winning half the ball. Winning half. Pinapiliwan! Nice assist from winning half to Pinapil. Nanto Rosano. Rosano to Aloro. At Butaya Fire for 3. Wala. Alcillo to winning half dilumpan. Wow, 2 points. Reganasa to Rosano. Rosano to Butaya. Butaya Rokinasa. Rokinasa to Aloro. Aloro pasok nabaha. Ayan, napahol. Sinabaha. First personal foul nabaha. First team foul. Ay, sorry. Pilapil din. Oh, wala. So, nabaha. Second free throw nabaha. Yes, 1 point for nabaha. Alcillo at the ball. Alcillo to winning half. Winning half after Alcillo. Hurst, fires for 3. Wala. Overshoot. Aloro na run. Aloro! Boy! Wow, counted. First personal foul number 11. Second team foul. Ay, sorry. Aloro. Oh. Alcillo on the ball. Alcillo, pass to Villarino. Pass to Alcillo. Alcillo drives. Pass to Lyle for 3. Wala. The ball winning up. Winning up to Lyle again for 3. Lyle with 3 points. Reganasa on the ball. Rokinasa pass to Rosano. Rosano on the ball. Wait. There's a foul coming from number 4, Alcillo. Second personal foul, Alcillo. 13 fouls. Ay, sorry. Inbound fouls by Rosano. So, Aloro fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by Villarino. Villarino now on the ball. Pass to Waitingham. Waitingham now on the ball. Waitingham speed. Pass. One line. Foul. Number 21. Second personal foul. Good Aloro. Here's in the third line. First free throw po. Winning out. Wala. Ikaduha. Winning out. Uy, wala. Pagkawas. Diba? Aloro. Aloro. Ito po. Pass to Rosano. Rosano. Fires for 3. Wala. Short. Ibang Villarino. Pass to Alcillo. Ay, nakakukod. Substitution. Rookie na siya out. Bukaya yan. Lucina na yan. Nabaha out. Rosano. Aloro. Aloro to Lucina. Lucina. Wala. Alosilio for personal foul. Warning. Patulo. Third personal foul. Third. Warning for penalty. Rosano. Rosano. Aloro. Aloro. Alosilio buhay. Winningham to Alosilio. Alosilio to Winningham. Winningham to Hurst. Hurst to Hurst personal foul. Lucina. Second team foul. Onyx. Warning for penalty. I should have. Inbound Winningham. Hurst. Alosilio. Fires for three. Wala. Rebound by Isulugo. Aloro. Aloro now on the ball. Pass to Rosano. Rosano fires for three. Wala. Rebound by Lucina. What a nice game. Lucina 2 points. Winningham on the ball. Then second shot clock. Lyle for three. Lyle! 3 points! Rosano on the ball. 6 points na lang. 6 points lead. Lucina. Lucina. Aloro. Aloro to Crisologo. Crisologo lang ka? Wala. Penalty. Villarmino, foul. Second personal foul, Villarmino. Crisologo, the 12-foot line. Wala, short. Ikaduha. Wala. Remaining time 4 minutes and 50 seconds. 50 seconds shot clock. Gagati. Tulay. Dan to Winningham. 7 seconds shot clock. Reverse layup. Ang bang Alosilio wala masulot. Hoy. Tingin ka lang. Substitution. Substitution. Okay, sa unong kali, unong ang clear sa ISOS. Inbound line. So, Gagati to line. Line here. Iba may Crisologo. By Winningham. Winningham to Hurst. Side jumper, 2 points. Time out. Easy. Uy, 4 points na lang. 4 na lang. 2 shots na lang.
Tap ka na sa voice din pati.
Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Evening time, 4 minutes and 18 seconds. Lawrence the ball to Rosano. Rosano now on the ball. Aloro for 3. Aloro, 3 points. Waiting out. Waiting out the ball. Pass to Harry. Pass to Hurst to line of Harry. Gagati, no points. Norris. Aloro. Fires for 3. Wala. Bantay Gagati. Gagati on the ball. Pass to Waiting out now the ball. Pass to Harley to Lyle to Waiting out. Fires for 3. Wala. Ball by Harris jumper. Wala. Ball by Norris on the ball. To Rosano bola, jumper, wala. Ball by Gagati. Ipusa. Gagati to Hardy. Hardy, hirap. Wala. Substitution. Dakingan pa rin, dakin. Okay. Remaining time 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Loris. Rosano. Wait. Still Lyle on the ball. Lyle Masto. Winning hand with hand check. By Waiting out. 3 points lead now. 3 points lead now. Sinarios. Lifted by Winningham. Simbo. Sinarios wala. Paso Lucina. Natak persikan. Traveling by Yusuf Namaha. Waiting out the ball. Waiting out. Traveling kasi tayo Yusuf. Loris and ball. Loris fires for 3. Loris! 3 points! Waiting out to Hurst to Harry. Gagati to Waiting out side. Shot, wala. Rebound and Sinarios on the run. Sinarios, tiap. Live, napitag wala. Lipat liap. By Sinarios to Sulod. Hardy the ball. At the Waiting out. Waiting up the ball. To Gagati jumper. Yes, back shot by Gagati. 35 seconds remaining. 52 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Loris, bola. Torres yang tergeser pasang. Spill by Winningham. Waiting up to Lyle Lucia Bola. Rosano.
Dapat dikit na ba? Ayaw kami.
Second personal foul, 11. Rosano on the 12 line. With nothing. One point for Rosano. Second free throw. Wala. Rebounded Gagati. Gagati to Hirsch. Winning up. 4, 3, 2. Gagati by 14. Wala. Game over.
Ilang ta?
We are now in the fourth final quarter. Score only 6-7. 6-0 for Isorik. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth final quarter. Okay, Rocky Nasa. Rocky Nasa. Pass to Losada. Losada jumper. Wala. Rebound by Hirsch. Here's the winning half. Hirsch. Guillermino to Hirsch. Lyle to Hirsch. Hirsch to Gagati. Gagati to Wingham. Wingham. Guillermino on the shot. One assist coming from Wingham. And the pistol, Rocky Nasa. Rocky Nasa. Aloro jumper wala. Rebound by Hirsch. Hirsch on the ball. Hirsch. Wingham. Uy! Again! Tuwa! Nagsiwa! Humusod sayang. Aloro. Nato pisto. Aloro. Wala rito. Rebound by Gagati. Gagati to Wingham. Wingham. Ako na lang. So, again. Okay na yun. Okay. Infinite sa 35 seconds. Okay. Rocky Nasa. Losada. Traveling violation. Losada. Substitution. And the pistol out, Losada rin. Losada to Sinanin. Winning out. Uy, 3 points na lang yan. Huwag ka lang yan, Hirsch. Ayan. Received by Rocky Nasa to Aloro. Rocky Nasa to Boytaya. Boytaya by Rocky. Wala, short. Rebound by Gagati. To Belarmino. Yep. Uy! 2 points, Belarmino. No, 1 point na lang. 1 point na lang. Rosano on the ball. Rosano, parang ipagtawaban. Rosano, jumper. Yes! Back shot by Rosano. Waiting up. So here's on the ball. Here's the waiting up. Waiting up to Gagati. Yeah. Gagaki, the ball to Hurst. Hurst, ayay, ng foul. Ng foul si Rocky Nasa. First personal foul, Rocky Nasa, first team foul, ulit speaking. Advance pass by Willingham to Gagaki. Willingham to Bellarmino. Bellarmino to Hurst. Hurst. 5 seconds shot clock. 4 seconds shot clock. 3. One second shot clock. 1 segundo. Mars. Oh, yan ball. Wala. 24 seconds. 24 seconds. Violation. Bago iko sa ring. Broken Asa to Rosano. Rosano now on the ball. Kita kepasangan. Rosano. To Butaya. Butaya to Rosano. Rosano long free. Wala, short. Uy, Broken Asa. Wala mo sa loob. Here's the ball. Wow. Where's now the ball? First, pass to line. Line. Jump shot. Yes! The ball is back! Now. Rosano. Rosano to Rocky Nasa. Rocky Nasa layup. Yes! Rocky Nasa. 2 points. Willingham. Willingham to Gagaki. Back to Willingham. Willingham fires for 3. Wala. Rebound. Ay. Out. Out of bounds. It's iso ball. Okay. Rebound pass. Willingham to Hurst. Hurst to Lyle. Lyle. Pass. Bilang nilo na. Rebound tayo kita sa ano ito lang. Oy! That's Willingham. Rocky Nasa inbound. Paso Rosano. Rosano to Lucina. Lucina to Rosano. Rosano. Rocky Nasa. Wala. Rosano inbound. Yes. 2 points to Rosano. Hurst, Gagaki. Gagaki to Hurst. Gagaki. Wah, ada nice assist. Uy! Sulot. Rosano fires for 3. Wala. Bawang na Rosano. Rosano agad. Lihat. Wah. Ay, sorry. Okay, back to the ball game. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 7 seconds. And 7 points lead by William Jimmy. Okay, bola. Loris Rosano. Rosano, jumper, wala. Iba by Loro. Loris, jumper. Wait. Na-foul si Loris. Second personal foul, Gagaki. First team foul. Kahit isa pa. Ay sa magsuot, basta nakahatag ng bola. Loris Sinan. 2 points for Loris. Alosilio on the ball. Alosilio. Pass the wing up. Wait. Jumble. Okay, isolate ball. Ball position, isolate. Okay, winning half inbound. Paso, Harris. Jumper, wala. Buka kay Alosilio. Alosilio to Winningham. Winningham fires for 3. Winningham, 3 points. Remaining time for minutes and 22 seconds. Okay, Loris on the ball. Loris to Butaya. Loris. To Alo. Alo. Speed. Jump. Wala. Villarmino on the ball. Villarmino. Pass to Hurst. Oy. Foul Rosano. Hindi. Flores dito. Flores tayo. First personal foul for second team foul. Substitution, jump. Loris out to Pinasay. Okay, basketball game. Winningham. Inbound. Pass to Hurst. Hurst to Winningham. Winningham fires for 3. Wala. Steve by Alosilio pass. Breaking out Rosano. Rosano, Butaya fires for 3. Wala. Wait, ito balik-balik. Rokinasa. Rokinasa the ball. Rokinasa, pull-up jumper. Oy, back set. Rokinasa, sagot. Okay, Alosilio. Alosilio on the ball. Alosilio. Looking for the finish. Pass to Hurst. Hurst fired for 3. Wala. Rebound by Villarmino. Villarmino. Pass to Winningham. Winningham to Gagati. Uy, Hurst to Villarmino. Villarmino jumper, wala. Gagati. 3 points from Gagati. Remaining time 2 minutes and 53 seconds. 15 seconds at left. 12 seconds at left. Rosano fires for long Chris. Wala, rebound Alosilio. Uy! Muntik na. Alosilio to run. Alosilio Villarmino. Wala. Alosilio. Adono. Butaya. Lucina. Wala. Winningham. Winningham to Hurst. Hurst to... Ayan! Steal by Luzano. Aloro. Time out. Ice reef. Okay, back to the ball game. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 8 points lead by Orange Ready. Okay, Winningham on the ball. Winningham to Alessio. Alessio. As to here's to Winningham. Winningham to Gagante. Gagante jumper. Wala. Uy. Third personal foul, Villarmino. Second team foul, Isorip. Rosano the ball to Roquinasa. Roquinasa to Rosano. Rosano Aloro. Aloro now the ball. Aloro. Wait! Counted foul. Number 11. Third personal foul, Winningham. Advance for Aloro. Yes, 3 points. Substitution. Remaining time, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Alessio the line for 3, wala, short, air ball. Rebound by Aloro. Aloro to Butaya. Butaya Oriconasa. Shot block. Wait. Out of bounds. Onis. Basketball. Okay, we can assign inbound to Rosano. Rosano, tap out. The Winningham. Inbound by Rosano. Rosano to Butaya. Butaya to Roquinasa. Roquinasa. Shot block, 5 seconds, set block. 3 seconds, set block. Roquinasa, wala. Rebound by Here's the line. Dahil down the ball. Dahil. Again, wala na sulod. Ikaduha. Rebound by Butaya. Roquinasa. 40 seconds remaining. Roquinasa. Aloro is still intercepted by Winningham. Winningham, 2 points. 30 seconds. Rosano to Aloro. Foul. Harley. Third personal foul, Harley. Warning for penalty. Isorip. Lucina to Rosano. Rosano the ball. Lucina, Roquinasa. Aloro. Aloro. Out. Number 4. Fourth personal foul. Penalty. Aloro, the 12 back. Wala. Here's Alessio. Alexilio long three. Wala. Rebound by Winingham. Pang shot. Wala yapon. Congratulations on Intrigue for winning the game. Congratulations for semifinals ang Orange Intrigue.